How to add overdraft protection in Wells Fargo. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily do that. So if you want to add overdraft protection to your account, you first have to log into your Wells Fargo app or the website, then find the hamburger menu at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you'll find your account services right under your card settings. Tap on account services, then on your account services, you have overdraft protection right on top of it. Go ahead and tap on overdraft protection. So if you guys don't know what overdraft protection is, it's gonna show you how it works and what it's gonna cost you. So it basically is, if you have two accounts on Wells Fargo and if you don't have enough or sufficient balance while making a transaction, it's gonna pull balance from your other account and make the transaction happen. That's basically how it works. So it's not gonna cost you anything. If you have any amount on your savings account, it's basically gonna transfer it from that account to your current working account and you should be good to go. Now just tap on add or change, select one account for your overdraft protection, and finally select your other account. And once that is done, you are going to have to tap on continue and it should be enabled on your device. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.